till it's all this time, true as it can be. Barely even friends, then somebody bends unexpectedly. Just a little change, small to say the least, both a little scared, neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast, ever just the same, ever a surprise, ever as before, ever just as sure as the sun will rise. Oh, yeah. Ever just the same, ever a surprise, ever as before, ever just as sure as the sun will rise. Oh, 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 till it's all this time, tune as old as song, bittersweet and strange, finding you can change, learning you were wrong, certain as the sun, rising in the east, tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme, beauty and the Beast, tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme, beauty and the Beast.
Ma chère mademoiselle, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest, be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin around your neck, sherry and we'll provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvres, why we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, miss, this is France, and the dinner here is never second best. Go on, unfold your menu, take a glance, and then you'll be our guest. We are guest, be our guest. Beef ragout, cheese soufflé, pie and pudding en flambé. We'll prepare and serve with flair a culinary cabaret. You're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared. No one's gloomy or complaining, while the flatware's entertaining. We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks. And it's all in perfect taste that you can bet. Go on and lift your glass, you've won your own free pass to be our guest. If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Life is so unnerving for a servant who's not serving. He's not whole without a soul to wait upon. All those good old days when we were useful, suddenly those good old days are gone. 10 years we've been rusting, needing so much more than dusting, needing exercise, a chance to use our skills. Most days we just lay around the castle. Flabby, fat and lazy, you walked in and upsy-daisy.
It's a guest, sakes alive, or I'll be blessed. Wine's been poured and thank the Lord, I've had the napkins freshly pressed. With dessert, she'll want tea, and my dear, that's fine with me. While the cups do their soft shoeing, I'll be bubbling, I'll be brewing, I'll get warm, piping hot. Heaven's sakes, is that a spot? Clean it up, we want the company impressed. We've got a lot to do, is it one lump or two? For you are guests. She's our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest. Our command is your request. It's been years since we've had anybody here, and we're obsessed with your meal, with your needs. Yes, indeed, we aim to please. While the candlelight's still glowing, let us help you. We'll keep going. Course by course, one by one, till you shout, enough, I'm done. Then we'll sing you home to sleep as we digest. Come your feet up before now, let's see it up. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Please be our guest.
I've never met nobody like you. Had friends and I've had buddies, it's true. But they don't turn my tummy the way you do. I've never met nobody like you. No. You're never not on my mind. Oh my, I'm never not by your side. I'm never gonna let you cry. Oh cry, don't cry. I'll never not be your ride or die. Alright. Let's call it what it is. It's a masterpiece. Got a whole lot of love for them city streets. Tonight is the place to be. Got a big boombox and a new CD. Come on, everybody, let's tear it up. If you want mad skills, you can share with us. I want everybody to stop and chill, and you know why? It's us, the Trill. Woo! You're never not on my mind. Oh my, I'm never not by your side. I'm never gonna let you cry. Oh cry, don't cry. I'll never not be your ride or die. Alright. La 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 like you. La 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 like you. La 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 like you. Like you. No la 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 like you. No la 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 like you. No la 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 like you. No one like you. Had friends and I've had buddies. It's true, but they don't turn my tummy. I've never met nobody. You never not on my mind. I'm never gonna let you cry. Oh cry, don't cry. I'll never not be your ride or die. Alright.
Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing, cause like I've been searching my whole life to find my own place, and maybe it's the party talking on the chocolate fondue.
But with you,
I found my place.
I see your face,
and it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. With you. Love is an open. I mean, it's crazy crazy.
What?
We finish each other's.
Sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna
I
say.
never met someone
Who thinks so much like me? Jinx! Jinx again! Our mental synchronization can't have but one explanation. You were meant to be.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Life can be so much more with you, with you. Love is an open door. Can I say something crazy? Will you marry me?
Can I say something even crazier? Yes! Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this whirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always had to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. And here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let it go, let it go. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. Up here in the cold thin air, I finally can breathe. I know I left our life behind, but I'm too relieved to grieve. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. And here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let it go, let it go. The cold never bothered me anyway. In the life I've chosen, past is all behind me, buried in the snow. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. And here I'll stand, and here I'll stay. Let it go, let it go. The cold never bothered me anyway. Prince Ali, everlasting, all the above. Show some respect, boy, you reflect down on knee. Now try your best to stay calm. Brush up for flying the alarm. Then come and meet the spectacular coterie. Prince Ali, mighty sea, all the above. Strongest champ, regular man, definitely. His face the galloping horse. 100 beggars we swore. Who sent the goods to their road? Why Prince Ali? Finish his gun! Not a lady! Wake up! When it comes to exotic mammals, everybody help me out! Prince Ali is the missing only above. Don't be sick! How can I speak? Licking my nails! Yeah, boy, so get on out in this gear. Just a very prepared to clock in front of his door. Prince Ali. You can do it! There it is! Prince Ali, I'm in the sea, all the above. Heard your princess was hot, where is she? And Jack could pick her his wife, he got a cutie drop by.
Lord Almighty, I feel my temperature rising. And higher, it's burning through to my soul. Girl, 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 you set me on fire. My brain is flaming, I don't know which way to go. 'Cause your kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song of the choir. You light my morning sky with burning love. And ooh, I feel my temperature rising. Help me in flaming, I must be 109. Burning, 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 nothing can cool me. I just might turn into smoke, but I feel fine. 'Cause your kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song of the choir. You light my morning sky with burning love, yeah. It's coming close, flames are now licking my body. Won't you help me? I feel like I'm slipping away. And it's hard to breathe, I feel my chest starting heaving. Lord have mercy, it's burning a hole where I lay. Yeah, 'cause your kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song of the choir. You light my morning sky hunk of burning love. I'm just a hunk of burning love. I'm just a hunk of burning love. I'm just a hunk of burning love. Yeah. I'm just a hunk of burning love. I'm just a hunk of burning love, baby. I'm just a hunk of burning love. I'm just a hunk of burning love, baby. I'm just a hunk of burning love. I'm just a hunk of burning love. Oh, I'm just a hunk of burning love. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Look at me, I will never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be I'm not meant to play this part? Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's heart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Somehow I cannot hide who I am, though I've tried. When will my reflection show who I am inside? How I pray that a time will come I can free myself from their expectations. On that day, I'll discover some way to be myself and to make my family proud. They want a docile lamb. No one knows who I am. Must there be a secret me I'm forced to hide? Must I pretend that I'm someone else for all time? When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside?
I see what's happening, yeah. You're face to face with greatness, ain't it strange? You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. It's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui, breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the hair, the bod, when you're staring at a demigod. What can I say except you're welcome? For the tide, the sun, the sky, Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demi-guy. What has two thumbs and pulled up the sky? When you were waddling yay high, this guy. When the nights got cold, who stole you fire from down below? You're looking at him, yo! Also, I lassoed the sun. You're welcome to stretch your days and bring you fun. Also, I harnessed the breeze. You're welcome to fill your sails and shake your trees. So what can I say except you're welcome for the islands I pulled from the sea? There's no need to pray, it's okay, you're welcome. I guess that's just my way of being me. You're welcome, you're welcome. Welcome to think of it, kid, honestly I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground. Oh, that was Maui just messing around. I killed an eel, I buried its guts, sprouted a tree, now we got coconuts. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't mess with Maui when he's on a breakaway. And the tapestry here in my skin is a map of the victories I win. Look where I've been, I make everything happen. Look at that mini Maui, tickety-tap and ha, 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 ha. Ha, ha, hey! Well, anyway, let me say you're welcome for the wonderful world you know. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. Come to think of it, I gotta go. Hey, it's okay, it's your day to welcome. 'Cause I'm gonna need that boat. I'm sailing away, away, you're welcome. 'Cause Maui can't do anything but float. You're welcome, you're welcome. And thank you!
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still mess up, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in until I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail.
felt so certain. All my life I've been torn, but I'm here for a reason. Could it be the reason I was born? I have always been so different. Normal rules did not apply. Is this the day? Are you the way? I finally find out why. Show yourself. I'm no longer trembling. Here I am. I've come so far. You are the answer I've waited for all of my life. Oh, show yourself. Let me see who you are. Come to me now. Open your door. Don't make me wait one moment more. I am found. Show yourself. Step into your power. Throw yourself into something new. I am the one I've been waiting for all of my life. Oh, show yourself. Let me see who you are. Into the unknown.
Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always. Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have to hold. Don't see in time, I know. When destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time, I know. We'll show them together, 'cause you'll be
shoulder. I'll be there always.
Here comes a wave meant to wash me away, a tide that is taking me under, swallowing sand left with nothing to say, my voice drowned out in the thunder. But I won't cry, and I won't start to crumble. Whenever they try to shut me or cut me down, you can't keep me quiet, won't tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless, 'cause I'll breathe when they try to suffocate me. Don't you underestimate me, 'cause I know that I won't go speechless. Written in stone, every rule, every word, centuries old and unbending. Stay in your place, better seen and not heard. Well, now that story is ending, 'cause I cannot start to crumble. So come on and try to shut me or cut me down.
You want to go outside? Why, Rapunzel? Look at you, as fragile as a flower. Still a little sapling, just a sprout. You know why we stay up in this tower?
I know, but
That's right, to keep you safe and sound, dear. Guess I always knew this day was coming. Knew that soon you want to leave the nest. Soon, but not yet. But shh, trust me, pet. Mother knows best. Mother knows best. Listen to your mother. It's a scary world out there. Mother knows best. One way or another, something will go wrong. I swear. Ruffians, thugs, poison ivy, quicksand, cannibals and snakes. The plague.
No,
yes, but also large bugs, men with pointy teeth, and stop. No more. You just upset me. Mother's right here. Mother will protect you. Darling, here's what I suggest. Skip the drama. Stay with Mama. Mother knows best. Mother knows best. Take you from your momsy. On your own, you won't survive. Sloppy, underdressed, immature, clumsy. Please, they'll eat you up alive. Gallop gullible, naive, positively grubby, ditzy and a bit, well, vague. Plus, I believe, getting kinda chubby. I'm just saying, 'cause I love you. Mother understands. Mother's here to help you. All I have is one request. Rapunzel? Yes? Don't ever ask to leave this tower again. Yes, Mother. Oh, I love you very much, dear. I love you more. I love you most. Don't forget it. You regret it. Mother knows best.
All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been. Now I'm here, blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see, standing here, it's all so clear, I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different now that I see you. I have something for you too. I shouldn't have given it to you before, but I was just scared. But the thing is, I'm not scared anymore. You know what I mean? I'm starting to. All those days chasing down a daydream, all those years living in a blur, all that time never truly seeing things the way they were. Now he is here, shining in the starlight. Now he's here, suddenly I know. If he's here, it's crystal clear, I'm where I'm meant to go. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that I see you. Now that I see you. Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me. Don't let it make you cry, for even if I'm far away, sacred song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again.
Elsa? Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman.
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye.
Do you want to build a snowman or ride our bikes around the halls? I think some company is overdue. I've started talking to the pictures on the walls. Hang in there, Joan. It gets a little lonely. All these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say have courage, and I'm trying to. I'm right out here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you want to build a snowman?
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line meets the sky, meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll go. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. Oh, 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 oh. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What's wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes, as it seems like it's calling out to me. So come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? See the
prince will come. Someday I'll find my love, and how thrilling that moment will be when the prince of my dreams come to me. He'll whisper, I love you, and steal a kiss or two that is far away. I'll find my love someday, someday when my dreams come true. Someday my prince will come. Someday I'll find my love, and how thrilling that moment will be when the prince of my dreams come to me. He'll whisper, I love you, and steal a kiss or two that is far away. I'll find my love someday, someday when my dreams, someday when my dreams, someday when my dreams come true.
Started out on a one-way train. Always knew it, I was gonna go next. Didn't know until I saw your face. I was missing out on every moment. You'll be one and baby, I'll be two. Would you mind if I said I'm into you? So if it's real, then darling, let me know. I wouldn't mind if you steal the show. You and I, we go together. You're the sky, I'll be the weather. A pretty thing, the sun and rain, who knew? Oh, summer night, perfect occasion. When am I know I'll be waiting for you. For you. So if it's real, then darling, let me know. I wouldn't mind if you steal the show. So if it's real, then darling, let me know. I wouldn't mind if you steal the, you shine like forever, last forever. You shine and still show. So if it's real, then darling, let me know. I wouldn't mind if you steal the show. Started out on a one-way train. Always knew it, I was gonna. So if it's real, then darling, let me
crazy or call me a fool. But last night it seemed that I dreamed about you. When I opened my mouth, what came out was a song, and you knew every word, and we all sang along to a melody played on the strings of our songs, and the rhythm that rattled us down to the bone. Our love for each other will live on forever. In every beat of my proud corazón, our love for each other will live on forever. In every beat of my proud corazón. Ay, mi familia, oiga mi gente, canten el coro, let it be known. Our love for each other will live on forever. In every beat of my proud corazón. Ay, mi familia, oiga mi gente, canten el coro, let it be known. Our love for each other will live on forever. In every beat of my proud corazón.
The usual morning lineup. Starting the chores and sweep till the floor's all clean. Polish and wax, do laundry and mop and shine up. Sweep again, and by then it's like 7:15, and so I read a book, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my gallery. I'll play guitar and knit and cook, and basically just wonder, when will my life begin? Then after lunch, it's puzzles and darts and baking. Paper mache, a bit of ballet and chess. Pottery and ventriloquy, candle making. Then I'll stretch, maybe sketch, take a climb, sew a dress, and I'll reread the books if I have time to spare. I'll paint the walls some more, I'm sure there's room somewhere. And then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair, stuck in the same place I've always been. And I'll keep wondering and wondering and wondering and wondering, when will my life begin? Tomorrow night, the lights will appear, just like they do on my birthday each year. What is it like out there where they glow? Now that I'm older, Mother might just let me